excited, huh? I don't know if you can see, but her hood is not attached to her car. And the other guy, the truck, only had a flat tire, but it did look like there was, oh, look at that, some fluid. Coming out of the bottom. And the police, of course, are still blocking the road. Oh, someone wants a look. I'm gonna stand on my foot to get a look, aren't you? Oh, I hope we didn't feature something terrible there. Yep, there's my bus stop. Lots of shiny, pretty lights. Oh. Gosh, it's a long walk to go from one side of the room to the other. 1, 2, 3. What do we have going on? They're still working that. When this lady was backing up, the one of the people that stopped was holding her hood, which was on the ground, and like attached by a piece of plastic. They scraped it backwards, but I had to put the dog on. Still went up there barefoot. Really glad everything that happened out on the street that broke off was just plastic, so I didn't worry too much about walking around on it when I was cleaning it up. But so that's that. Cheers and love. Everyone's safe. Be well.